What is up, guys? So today what we're doing is installing this spoiler here. Here's the background. We're gonna install the spoiler, which I've already maxed it. I was watching videos on YouTube and I was really unsure on how to install it, but I was reading comments on the video that I saw, and somebody put that the trunks already come with the holes where they need to go. So my dumbass is gonna wing it. I already did this side. I've done this side already. I still have to drill this side. I pre-drilled it already, but so yeah, guys, I'm going to see if it actually works, and if it doesn't work, then I guess that's on me. But let me continue on drilling and we'll go from there. Alright guys, so in conclusion, it looks like it's sitting pretty flush how it's supposed to be. So these two bolts here lined up pretty much alright. It's pretty much, I don't know if you guys can see it on video, but this tape is literally on the border of the trunk. So it sits in pretty good. I gotta really tighten these up. I still gotta put the gasket for the water. Now here, it sits pretty good too, but only one bolt matches, and I don't know if you guys could see it right there. I may have to drill a slightly hole down here, or I gotta find a way to make it work at the moment, because this is not lining up properly. But I'm gonna figure it out right now. I'm gonna go ahead and put the gaskets on now so I could start seeing how I'm going to line everything up. Alright guys, so spoiler is on, nice and flush as it's supposed to. Put the gasket up, that's why it has like a little spacer there, a little black space, but over here, sitting pretty good. I'm alright with it. I'm alright with it. With the way that I did it, it was completely flushed, and all I have to really do now is connect the backlight on it, and yeah, pretty much the only thing I do recommend you guys is that I only have 3 bolts holding it. So you see, as this one happened, it's not matching slightly. I would just have to shave down a little bit on the bottom part right here so it could be flush. I got that bolt. I needed a bigger bolt on this side, but yep. How's it going, guys? New video. So new video, new day. I'm not sure why the other video had cut off, but just an update on how the wing sits. It's sitting pretty nice. Some back shots. Car's a little dusty. I gotta go take it to the wash. But yeah, guys, let me know what you guys think. Drop the comments, the likes, the subscribes, and I will appreciate it. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.